Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Or if this is your first time here, I'm so glad you clicked on this video because today we're diving into something absolutely mind-blowing. Let me ask you a quick question before we start. Have you ever looked at one of those jaw-dropping AI-generated images online and thought, wow, I wish I could make this come to life, maybe even turn it into an actual video? Imagine this. You create a beautiful image of a magical forest, a cute cat dressed as a chef, or a futuristic city skyline. And then, with just a few clicks, you turn it into a smooth, animated video that feels like it jumped right out of a movie. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, what if I told you that you can actually do it today, and for free? Yes, completely free. You don't need expensive software, a fancy computer, or hours of animation skills. All you need is a little creativity, a few clever tools, and the steps I'm about to show you. And get this, you'll be able to experiment as many times as you want. You can test different images, try different animations, and see your ideas come to life over and over again without paying a single cent. Now, if you're someone who loves creating content, whether you're an artist, a designer, a storyteller, or just someone who enjoys playing with new tech, this might just become your new favorite tool. But wait, before we jump in, I want you to do something for me. Take a second and think. What's one crazy image or idea you'd love to turn into a video right now? Is it a flying unicorn? A superhero version of your pet? A dreamy landscape with floating castles? Drop your idea down in the comments right now. I'd love to read them later and maybe even feature some in the next video. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through an incredible tool called Pexeverse, and we'll also use Leonardo AI to create our images. I'll show you exactly how to sign up without paying anything, how to generate your image, and finally, how to transform it into an amazing animated video that you can share with your friends, your followers, or even use for your business or YouTube channel. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create your very own AI-powered animated videos. No technical skills needed, and most importantly, no big budgets or hidden fees. Ready to unlock your creativity and bring your images to life? Make sure to grab a notebook if you want to jot down the steps, because we're about to explore a whole new world of possibilities together. And if you're excited like I am, smash that like button right now so we can get started. All right, let's jump in and see how this magic works. Step 1. Registering on Pexeverse. Let's begin with the platform itself. It's called Pexeverse.ai. It's one of the most intuitive and powerful tools out there for turning still images into animated scenes. To start, you'll need to register for a free account. Here's how you do it. First, choose a username. Then, head over to a temporary email generator site. I'll show you one that works well. Just click Copy to get an email address, return to Pexeverse, and paste it into the email field. Now create a strong password, confirm it, and click Continue. A verification code will appear in the inbox of your temporary email. Click on it when it arrives. Once you see the check mark, you're ready to proceed. Congratulations! Your account is now active and ready to use. Step 2. Creating the image with Leonardo AI. Before we animate anything, we'll need an image. For that, we'll use another free AI tool, Leonardo AI. One of the best platforms for generating stunning, creative images from text prompts. If you haven't signed up yet, do that now. Once you're in, use an activation code if required. Again, you can use your temporary email for this. Once your account is verified, you're ready to go. Now let's create a visual. Head over to the generation settings, choose Custom, set the image dimensions to mobile, pick the Phoenix 1.0 model, and ask it to generate 4 images. Now we need a good prompt. You can use ChatGPT or any AI writing assistant for help. For example, I asked for a cute cat dressed as a chef in a colorful kitchen. Paste your prompt into Leonardo, hit Generate, and in seconds, you'll get 4 incredible visuals. Pick your favorite and download it. We're heading back to Pexeverse. Step 3. Animating the image on Pexeverse. Now that we've got the image, it's time to bring it to life. Go back to Pexeverse.ai. Paste the same prompt you used earlier and upload the image you downloaded. Once both are in place, click Generate. A progress bar will appear. Wait until it reaches 100%. When it's done, your animated video will be ready to preview. The output is honestly impressive. Smooth motion, clean animation, and best of all, lightning-fast generation. Pro tip: unlimited free credits. Now here's a useful hack. If you run out of free tries, which you get 3 of by default, just log out, head back to the temporary email site, grab a new address, and register again. It's that simple. This way, you can generate as many videos as you want, absolutely free. Bonus features. What sets Pexeverse apart from other tools like Kyber or Hagen is not just its speed, but also its powerful built-in features. You can add voiceover or background music, sync lip movement with sound, customize your visuals, upscale your video to higher resolution, all within the same platform. No external editing required. Final thoughts. So, that's everything you need to get started with Pexeverse.ai and Leonardo.ai. Two powerful tools that, when combined, let you generate videos from static AI images in minutes. The links are in the description below. Give them a try, and let me know how it goes. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tutorials like this, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next one. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. I always reply. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.